Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cot mattresses is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for your baby, impacting their sleep quality, comfort, and overall development. Finding the perfect balance of firmness, safety, and breathability is crucial for creating a healthy sleep environment, and in this video, we'll explore the top contenders to help you make an informed decision for your little one's well-being. Number 5. Hazli Comfort Cell Mattress. Experience luxurious comfort anywhere with this memory foam mattress. It's perfect for camping, guests, or even as a play mat for kids. This mattress is made of superior memory foam and has a waterproof, machine-washable cover. Enjoy ultimate relaxation on all your adventures. At 62L×26W×3H, it's the ideal size for kids. It folds up easily and includes a free storage bag and straps for easy transport. This versatile mattress is perfect for sports, overnight guests, college dorms, or even as a kid's play mat. It folds and unfolds in seconds. The included rugged carry bag makes transporting it simple and convenient, whether you're camping, traveling, or storing it away. What we like? It offers unparalleled comfort with its memory foam construction and waterproof cover, ensuring a restful sleep in any environment. If you're looking for versatile comfort for camping or guests, this is the perfect choice. Its portability makes it ideal for various situations, from sleepovers to outdoor adventures. What people say. I purchased this mattress for a truck bed camper build as it was the perfect length to fit in a short bed truck. I was pleasantly surprised that this mattress exceeded my expectations by providing exceptional comfort and support. After unpacking the mattress, I let it sit per instructions and it did inflate to the advertised 3 inches. The mattress has a removable cover which has an anti-slip backing on it. The anti-slip backing does great at ensuring the mattress doesn't slide around on the sleeping platform. The Matrix Comfort Cell Memory Foam Camping Mattress Pad is a game-changer for my Sprinter van's sofa bed. These pads transform the space into a cozy, supportive sleeping area with ease. The strong Velcro keeps the pad securely attached, allowing you to create one large mattress or use them individually as needed. 6-foot SND 225 pounds guy. Use the foam mattress as an overlay with a canvas camping cot. Foam is springy and fairly lightweight, not sure I would call it a memory foam. No sore spots for this side sleeper. Oversized bag held my large, flannel-lined summer sleeping bag, as well. It would easily accommodate a pillow or light comforter. Number 4. Micropuff Cot Mattress Pad. Experience ultimate softness with our Micropuff Mattress Pad. It's filled with high-grade down alternative for a luxurious feel you'll love. With extra deep pockets, it stretches up to 12 inches, ensuring a perfect fit for your cot mattress. Say goodbye to shifting and sliding. Stay cool and comfortable all night long. Its breathable design helps regulate your temperature for a more restful sleep. Measuring 33 inches by 75 inches, it's the ideal size for your cot mattress. Enjoy a snug, comfortable fit every night. Sleep soundly without disruption. Its noiseless design ensures your movements won't disturb your peaceful slumber. Give your old mattress a fresh new look and feel. It hides stains and dirt, making your mattress look brand new. It's machine washable and stays soft wash after wash. Simply toss it in the machine for easy cleaning. What we like? This mattress pad provides luxurious comfort and a secure fit with its deep pockets and breathable design. If you value a cool, quiet, and comfortable sleep, this is for you. It's perfect for upgrading an existing cot mattress and provides a fresh, clean feel. What people say. Nice fit that doesn't pull loose from mattress. Quality materials and feel. It fits well and is easy to put on my mattress. It does that in spades. It is very well made and a bargain at this price. It feels very soft and comfortable under my sheets. It is 100% polyester, fits in a top-loading washing machine without overstuffing it. It will not shrink. It came out looking just like when it went in. This is a great mattress pad. It has nice deep pockets, so there is no trouble affixing it to the bed. The surface is soft and plush, and doesn't feel synthetic. It feels cottony soft. Before putting it on the bed for the first time, we washed and dried it and it came out exactly as it had gone in. No change. Number 3. Slendor Folding Camping Cot. It's a full-sized cot, offering more space than most. Its extra-wide design ensures comfortable sleeping for all, This cot is built to last, supporting up to 500 pounds. The reinforced frame provides exceptional stability and durability. It comes with a comfortable mattress and a handy side pocket for your essentials. You'll find it perfect for various uses and locations. It's made from durable, water-resistant 600D polyester. The double-layered surface is easy to clean and provides superior strength. Setting it up or packing it away takes only seconds. It comes with a convenient carrying bag for easy transport. It's ideal for camping, the beach, your backyard, or even the office. Enjoy comfortable rest wherever you go. What we like. This cot is built for durability and convenience, supporting heavy weights and setting up in seconds. If you need a sturdy and portable cot for camping or guests, this is a great option. Its ease of use and included mattress make it perfect for various outdoor and indoor uses. What people say. It was extremely easy to set up, it's very comfortable and super sturdy, holds my 200 pounds plus my 100-pound dog too and folds up quickly for easy storage in the bag. The build quality is impressive, it's incredibly sturdy and feels like it could withstand anything. It's super comfortable. The cot comes with a soft and supportive mattress, making it incredibly comfortable for a restful night's sleep. Its extra width ensures plenty of space to move around, which is especially great for larger individuals. The build quality is impressive, with a heavy-duty design that includes 10 sturdy legs and thickened oblate square tubes, offering remarkable stability and a max load capacity of 800 pounds. What I love most is how easy it is to set up. Within seconds, it's ready to go, and when you're done, it folds up neatly into the included storage bag for effortless transport. Number 2. REDCAMP Folding Cot Pad. This versatile pad offers superior comfort and portability for all your outdoor adventures. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or simply adding extra comfort to your indoor spaces. Choose from a variety of colors and thicknesses to perfectly suit your needs. We offer options in gray, brown, and black to match your style. Some colors offer a plush 3-inch thickness for ultimate comfort, while others provide a 2-inch option that's still incredibly cozy. It's all about your preference. Upon receiving it, allow 48 hours for it to fully expand to its advertised size and regain its shape. For extra cushioning, consider using a blanket. The soft velvet or corduroy cover provides a luxurious feel, while the waterproof bottom and breathable filling keep you dry and comfortable. It's designed for ultimate relaxation. It's surprisingly lightweight at only 4 pounds and easily packs into the included storage bag. Take it anywhere with you. It fits most standard camping cots, including those with elevated heads or pillows. It's also great for indoor use as a guest bed or floor mat. What we like. Experience enhanced comfort with its soft velvet cover and waterproof backing, ideal for outdoor use. If you prioritize comfort and portability in a cot mattress pad, this is a great choice. It's lightweight and easy to transport, perfect for camping or travel. What people say. It is easy to fill and gives just enough support. It comes in a bag for storage and portability. The mattress is very soft material and comfortable to lay on. It is good quality. Has convenient stretchy bands that go over the cot corners to keep it in place very well. It adds a bit of softness to laying on the cot, and also nice insulation to keep your backside warm when sleeping in cold weather. It's also lightweight and comes with convenient carry bag. Number 1. Gaialoop 3-inch Camping Mattress. It's made with a special blend of foams for amazing support and softness. You'll enjoy a comfortable night's sleep, no matter where you are. Rest easy knowing it's made with OEKOTX certified materials. The foams and cover are all safe and odor-free. The plush cover is removable and washable, and it has a waterproof coating to protect the foam. Keep it clean and extend its life. It's a convenient and comfortable alternative to air mattresses. Take it camping, on road trips, or use it to soften a cot. Use it as a guest bed, floor mat, or even a nap bed. It's great for sleepovers, family gatherings, and more. It arrives vacuum-packed, so allow 48 to 72 hours for it to fully expand in a warm environment. Cold weather may affect expansion. What we like. This mattress offers exceptional comfort and support with its thick memory foam and waterproof cover. If you need a versatile and comfortable solution for various sleeping situations, this is it. Its portability and suitability for different environments make it a great all-around choice. What people say. The thing I loved most is that it truly saved my hips. I'm a hard side sleeper and often have hip pain if I sleep on too soft or firm a surface, big reason why air mattresses don't work for me. After sleeping on this, I awoke with no pain. It comes with a bag, which is large enough to fit the bedding, a small pillow, and a thinner fleece blanket. It makes for a nice grab-and-go setup. Certainly makes tent sleeping in a tent comfortable. The first thing I noticed is that I was much warmer in my sleeping bag on this mattress. The bag warms up faster and I feel almost as comfortable as I do in my bed at home. No rocks or sticks poked up at me, and I was high enough off of the tent floor that I didn't feel the dampness that inevitably seeps into every tent overnight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.